Hey, what's up? Thanks for watching Brenspeed TV. I want to apologize. It's going to be a short one today. It's Friday. Hey, I'm not sure when you're going to be watching this, but right now it's Friday. We're trying to get a bunch of cars out here, make some videos. So hey, if you haven't, please subscribe and notify you, stay up to date, because today it's a 16 GT Whipple Supercharged. Going to lay down over 700 real horsepower. We're going to watch that dyno pull. So stick around and check that out. I have Doug. We're going to go down and look at the engine compartment. But hey, don't forget description. You can open it up, click on, see the Supercharger, of course, in stock, ready to ship your door. Doug, shall we go look?
Let's go.
Let's go check it out. All right, Doug, before we go check out the engine compartment, I want you to take a look at this car right here. I mean, I think this is awesome. I love the color, love the black wheels. We got the fuel door, have the wing on the back, with the sweet setup. Again, one more S550 we built. You have no idea from looking at it from the outside. We're talking over 700 real horsepower, running 93 octane. Manual transmission. Doug, let's go take a look. I will put a link at the end of this, some other S550 Whipple videos, so if you want to watch like different power levels, you know, what's maybe like the stage 1, this is the stage 2, what's the stage 1 make, what's it make if we get into some custom tuning, maybe some E85, some bigger boost. But here we have it, the Gen 5 Whipple Supercharger. It's their straight up Whipple kit, Whipple calibration. You get the nice Whipple throttle body on the stage 2. This does have the 3875 pulley, new Whipple air induction system, but it's a killer setup. You can put it right on your stock Mustang. So again, at the end, if you stick around that long, watch those other Whipple videos, because it's going to answer a lot of your questions on, you know, how much power do I want? Maybe you want more than 700, maybe you want less. You can watch those other videos, check it out. But right now, watch that dyno pull. All right, let's check out these numbers. And hey, don't forget, we have Whipple Superchargers in stock, S550, GT through 50 in stock, ready to ship to your door. You can come in for an install. Doug, check these numbers out. 708 real horsepower, 7,500 RPM. It's on our DynoJet SAE. Torque comes in at 524, peaking at right around 4,900 RPM. Love it. So hey, if you have any questions, as always, you can leave a comment. Happy to answer. And again, quote at brenspeed.com is, hey, what's it cost to get installed? And of course, check that description. As I said, I will put the links. You can click on it, read a lot more about it. Thanks for watching.